Everyone, we all want the same headline. We replace people with AI. Cost down, efficiency up. Future arrived. Look, it's a cool story. But there's a part that they're not tweeting, and it just came out. I don't know if you saw it. 55% of companies now regret laying off because of AI. That's according to Forrester. Not because AI didn't work, it's because the rollout was probably pretty sloppy. That's probably the lie I want to kill right now. Look, this idea that AI is a layoff button, press it, people disappear, margins magically improve. That's like impatience dressed up as some form of innovation. I do believe certain roles can be replaced by AI. Don't get me wrong. That part is true. It's done. We're past that debate. But if your job is repetitive, rules-based, and predictable, software has always been coming for it. AI just finished the job faster. But here's what companies skip. They never actually mapped how work really gets done. They didn't understand where judgment lives, where maybe context matters, the trust, where that's going to be built, maybe where exceptions can explode the system. So in a lot of cases, they move too fast. Look at the numbers. In 25 alone, tech companies have laid off nearly 210,000 people. That's like 600-ish a day, every day. Now, someone decided AI can handle this without really proving it first. And then reality showed up. Take the classic story of Klarna. Klarna. Let's go with Klarna. They cut around 700 customer support reps. One shot. Went all in. Automation. Bold move. Everyone, woo, clapped. Then customer satisfaction dropped pretty hard. Now, as we've all heard, they're rehiring. It's so stupid. Not because humans are magically better at everything. That's not the lesson. The lesson is they skipped the middle portion. They treated AI like a replacement strategy instead of an operating decision. That was the mistake. You don't replace an entire team overnight. You don't swing the axe before understanding the work. That's how you create rework and, frankly, customer distrust. And you end up paying for it later. That's right. The right way, it's not sexy. You got to start small. After hours support, overflow tickets, low risk, repetitive tasks. You test, you watch, you listen. Where does AI crush it? Where does it stumble? Where do customers get annoyed instead of helped? Then you expand, you redesign roles, you shift humans to judgment and escalation and relationship, all those edge cases. You let AI eat the boring stuff. That's how efficiency really shows up. Remember, AI doesn't reward speed, it rewards judgment. Most of the companies rehiring right now, they didn't get AI wrong. They got the sequencing wrong. They moved faster than their understanding of the system they were breaking. AI can't be a shortcut. It's leverage, yes. Used well, it lowers costs. It improves the experience at the same time. But used poorly, it does expose how little you understood in your business in the first place. So if you're feeling a little uncomfortable, look, that might be right. That is the point. AI can't replace leaders. It's exposing some of them.